stomp, stomp. What are you doing? Is that the first rain puddle you ever played in? Oh, that's the dirty parts. Splash, splash, splash. Don't lose your balance. You don't want to fall in it. Oh, splash. Yes. Oh, dear. We're taking a bath after this, huh? Is that fun? Show me stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp. Oh. Oh, dear. Isn't that cold?
Oh, no.
Oh, that leg, she did the knee drop. You're officially wet. It's bath time. Oh, have some fun. Well, oh, not in the mouth. No.
Don't do it, Summer.
Good girl. Okay, come here. Come to Dada. Come here. No, no, that doesn't go in the mouth.
Stand up. Stand up.
Summer, come here. Come here. Good girl. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Yeah! Stomp some more, kiddo. Show your backside. Okay. Are y'all done? Should we get you cleaned up? That can't be too warm. Oh, you're just going to sit in it now? Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.